It's always a nervous experience to drop test an all-glass metal phone like the flagship Mi 10T Pro 5G, because even though Corning glass protection is much stronger than ordinary glass, and besides the common knowledge that glass won't survive on rough surfaces, it also depends on the design of the phone itself. Like for example, the Realme 6 Pro wasn't designed well for handling drop impacts and broke from the high drop, even though it has Corning glass protection. The Poco X2 on the other hand was able to survive because of a better drop resistant phone design. But apart from that, glass is still glass and glass will break and scratch. So it will be interesting to see how the dual glass plus metal design of the flagship Mi 10T Pro handles the drop abuse, especially with that huge camera hump and the added disadvantage of a heavyweight design. First pocket height drop, bottom metal edge side facing down. A very slight mark on the bottom side metal from the very first low drop itself. Next, moving on to the next pocket height drop, top side metal frame facing the marble tiles. No damages suffered on the glossy metal top edge as yet. Next, third pocket height drop, triple camera unit with a large bump facing down. The unique design of the triple camera unit seems to have handled the drop impact without any minute glass cracks as in the Realme 7 Pro and 7. Next, last pocket height drop, 6.67 inches long, display side facing down. In spite of the huge bulge, the camera unit does survive its first low drop and also handles all 4 drop abuse from pocket height. Next up, increasing the drop height, let's find out if the triple Corning glass and metal body can handle 1.6 meters high drops. First high drop, bottom metal edge facing down. Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G passes a drop test.